Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session we discussed up to question number 35. Now in today's session I will start from question number 36. 36 question. X and Y intercepts x and y intercepts of line 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. 2x minus 3y is equal to 6, or first option 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Second option 2 comma minus 3. Third option 3 comma minus 2. Fourth option 1 by 3, 1 by 2. First we need to convert the given line into intercept form. So given line is 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Dividing both sides by 6. Then 2x by 6 minus 3y by 6 equals to 1. 2 1 just 2 3 just cancel, 3 1 just 3 2 just cancel, then x by 3 minus y by 2 equals to 1. It can be written as x by 3 plus y by minus 2 equals to 1. It is in the form of x by a plus y by b equals to 1. Therefore, the intercepts, x intercept is 3, y intercept is minus 2, then 3 comma minus 2, that is nothing but option 3 is a correct answer. Next, question number 39. In question number 37, they given if the intercept made by the line, if the intercept made by the line between the axes is bisected at 5 comma 2, bisected at 5 comma 2, then its equation is first option 5x plus 2y equals to 20. Second option 2x plus 5y equals to 20. Third option 2x minus 5y equals to 20. Fourth option 5x minus 2y equals to 20. Okay. In this question, we need to find if the intercepts made by the line between the axes is bisected at 5 comma 2. So these are the coordinate axes, and it is a line. This line cuts x axis at A, y axis at B. This is x intercept, this is y intercept. Now this point is A comma 0, this point is 0 comma B. Now it is bisected at a point 5 comma 2. Bisected means this is midpoint. Now here M is midpoint of A and B. M is midpoint of AB. What is the midpoint formula? M equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. Now 5 comma 2 equals to a plus 0 by 2, 0 plus b by 2. Now we can write 5 comma 2 equals to a by 2 comma b by 2. Now you get a by 2 equals to 5, b by 2 equals to 2, a is 10, b is 4. Finally, we got a value and b value. Then equation of line is x by a plus y by b equals to 1. Now substitute x by 10 plus y by 4 equals to 1. We need to take the LCM of 4 and 10. If you take the LCM of 4 and 10, 2 table, 2 2 jars, 2 5 jars. Now 20 is a LCM. 10 how many times multiply with 20? 2 times. 2x plus 5y equals to 1. Now finally 2x plus 5y equals to 20. 2x plus 5y equals to 20. That is nothing but option 2 is a correct answer for this question number 37. (38) 38th question. The equation of line which passes through through 3 comma 4 and the sum of its intercepts on the axis is 14. On the axis is 14. Okay. Options. First option, 4x minus 3y equals to 24, comma x minus y equals to 7. Second option, 4x plus 3y equals to 24, x plus y equals to 7. Third one, 4x plus 3y plus 24 equals to 0, x plus y plus 7 equals to 0. Fourth option, 4x minus 3y plus 24 equals to 0, x minus y plus 7 equals to 0. Totally 4 options. See, in this the condition, the equation of line which passes through point 3 comma 4 and sum of its intercepts is 14. Given that a plus b equals to 14, that implies b equals to 14 minus a. Equation of line is x by a plus y by b equals to 1. This can be written as x by a plus y by, in place of b I can write 14 minus a equals to 1. It passes through 3 comma 4. So this is x, this is y. Substitute 3 by a plus 4 by 14 minus a equals to 1. Take the LCM. A into 14 minus a is LCM. 3 into 14 minus a plus 4a equals to 1. Now simplify, what you will get? 3 4 just 42 minus 3a plus 4a, that equals to 14a minus a square. Then this is a minus 14a minus 13a, a square minus 13a plus 42 equals to 0. Finally, we got a quadratic equation. If you factorize this equation, it can be written as a minus 6 into a minus 7 equals to 0. If you factorize this, we can write a minus 6 into a minus 7 equals to 0. Then a is equal to 6, a is equal to 7. But b is what? 14 minus a. From equation 1, b equals to 14 minus 6, that is 8. From equation 1, b equals to 14 minus 7, that is 7. So finally here we got x and y. Then x by 6 plus y by 8 equals to 1. Here x by 7 plus y by 7 equals to 1. Now I will take the LCM. What is LCM of this 6 and 8? 24. 6 how many times? 4 times. 8 3 times equals to 1. Then 4x plus 3y equals to 24. Now here LCM is 7. X plus y equals to 1. Then x plus y equals to 7. Then x plus y equals to 7. 4x plus 3y equals to 24. That is nothing but option 2 is a correct answer. Next, we'll discuss question number 39. In question number 39, the length of perpendicular from origin to a line is 7, and the line makes an angle, and the line makes an angle 150 degrees with positive direction of y axis. Positive direction of y axis. Then the equation of line. The equation of line is, we need to find the equation of line. First option, root 3x plus y equals to 14. Second, root 3x minus y equals to 14. Third one, root 3x plus y plus 14 equals to 0. Fourth option, root 3x minus y plus 14 equals to 0. Okay. Now we will discuss. Here the length of perpendicular means p value is 7. So you draw the rough diagram. X axis, y axis, it is a straight line, and this is the length of perpendicular from origin to the line, that is 7. But this line makes 150 degrees angle with positive direction of y axis. Now the angle made with x axis, that is 30, because it is 150, that's why it is 30. If you add totally, you will get 180. Now alpha equals to 30, and this is 30. Now I can apply the formula for equation of straight line in normal form. Then x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to p. This is the formula for equation of straight line in normal form. So here p value is 7, alpha is 30, substitute x cos 30 plus y sin 30 is equal to 7. X into cos 30 root 3 by 2, y into sin 30 1 by 2, that is 7. Now root 3x plus y by 2 equals to 7. Cross multiply, then what will you get? Root 3x plus y equals to 14. That is nothing but option 1 is the correct answer for this question number 39. Next, question number 40. If the intercept made by the line, if the intercept made by the line between the axis is bisected at a point x1 comma y1, then its equation is first option x by x1 plus y by y1 equals to 2. Second option x by x1 plus y by y1 equals to 1. Third option x by x1 plus y by y1 equals to 1 by 2. And the fourth option, none of these. See, in this we need to find the intercept, we need to find the equation of line such that the intercept made by the line between the axes is bisected at a point x1 comma y1. So, I will draw a simple diagram. So, these are the coordinate axes, x axis and y axis. It is a straight line, it cuts x axis at A, y axis at B, and this is origin. Now, this is A and this is B. Now, this point is A comma 0 and this is 0 comma P. Bisected means this is M is a midpoint, that is x1 comma y1. So, from this diagram we can write M is midpoint of AB. M is midpoint of AB. Then M equals to A plus 0 by 2, 0 plus B by 2. Already we discussed the midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Then x1 comma y1 is equal to A by 2 comma B by 2. Now, from this A by 2 is nothing but x1, B by 2 is nothing but y1. Then A is 2x1, B is 2y1. So, finally, we got A value and B value. Therefore, equation of line is x by A plus y by B equals to 1. In place of A, substitute 2x1, x by 2x1 plus y by 2y1, that equals to 1. I can take 2 common in the denominator, then x by x1 plus y by y1 equals to 1. Then x by x1 plus y by y1, the 1 by 2 go to that side 2, that is nothing but option 1 is a correct answer for this question number 40. Next, question number 41. A line L is perpendicular to the line, a line L is perpendicular to the line. 5x minus y equals to 1. 5x minus y equals to 1, and the area of triangle formed by the line L and the coordinate axis is 5. Then we need to find the equation of line L is. First option, x plus 5y equals to 5. Second option, x plus 5y equals to plus or minus 5 root 2. Third option, x minus 5y equals to 5. Fourth option, x minus 5y equals to 5 root 2. Okay. Now listen how to simplify this. Solution. First, given line is 5x minus y equals to 1. Okay. If the line is ax plus by plus c equals to 0 given, then implies perpendicular line is in the form of bx minus ay plus some k equals to 0. I am applying this concept. Just you need to change the intercepts and change the symbol. In place of c, you take the another constant, that is k. Now equation of L is x plus 5y plus k equals to 0, because y coefficient 1 will come for x, x coefficient 5 will go for y, and in place of constant we need to take k. This is equation 1. What is the formula for area of triangle? Area of triangle formed with ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is c square by 2 into modulus of AB. That is a formula for area of triangle formed by the line ax plus by plus c equals to 0 with the coordinate axis. That is nothing but c square by 2 into modulus of AB is equal to area is given 5. Here a value 1, b value 5, c value k. A is 1, b is 5, c is k. Then substitute c square by 2 into AB, that equals to 5. Then k square equals to 50. K equals to plus or minus root 50, that is nothing but 5 root 2. Substitute this k value in equation 1. From equation 1, equation of L is x plus 5y is equal to plus or minus 5 root 2. That is nothing but option 2 is a correct answer. This is easy method compared to that last. Okay, last one is little bit lengthy, that's why I am not explaining that method. Okay. Next question. 42. Okay. In 42 question, if the coordinates of A comma B comma C are minus 1 comma 5, 0 comma 0, 2 comma 2. Minus 1 comma 5, 0 comma 0, 2 comma 2. And D is the midpoint of BC. And D is midpoint of BC. Then the equation of the perpendicular. Then the equation of perpendicular drawn from B, drawn from B to the line AD, to the line AD is, to the line AD is. Okay, first option, x plus 2y equals to 0. Second option, 2x plus y equals to 0. Third option, x minus 2y equals to 0. Fourth option, 2x minus y equals to 0. Okay, listen how to do this. First we will draw a diagram based on the given data. If the coordinates of ABC, A, B, C. A point is minus 1 comma 5. B point is 0 comma 0. C point is 2 comma 2. Okay. Now D is midpoint of BC. D is midpoint of BC. Then the equation of perpendicular drawn from B on the line AD. This is AD. We need to find the equation of perpendicular drawn from ED, drawn from B on the line AD. This is E. So we need to find the equation of B and E. Okay. First, how to find equation of B and first I am finding D. D is midpoint of BC. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, then D equals to 1 comma 1. Now this is 1 comma 1. Next I am finding AD slope. Okay. Now A point, D point I got, A point is minus 1 comma 5. Then I am finding slope of AD. What is slope formula? 2 points are given, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Then you can write 1 minus 5 by 1 minus half minus 1. That is minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2 by 1. This is formula for slope of AD. But BE is perpendicular, BE is perpendicular to AD. That implies slope of BE. Take the reciprocal and change the symbol. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 1? 1 by 2. Here minus, here plus will come. Therefore, M is 1 by 2. But this BE is passing through which point? B point, that is 0 comma 0. Finally, we know point and slope. We can use point slope form. Therefore, equation of BE is y minus y1 is equal to M into x minus x1. That is nothing but 2y is equal to x. That implies x minus 2y equals to 0. That is nothing but third option is the correct answer for this question number 42. Okay. Next, we will discuss question number 43. The point P A comma B lies on 3x plus 2y equals to 13 and the point Q B comma A lies on 4x minus y equals to 5. then equation of PQ. Then equation of PQ is first option x minus y equals to 5. Second option x plus y equals to 5. Third option x plus y equals to minus 5. Next option x minus y equals to minus 5. Okay, listen how to do this. Simple. P a comma b lies on 3x plus 2y equals to 13. Then substitute this point in this equation, then what will get? 3a plus 2b equals to 13, that is equation 1. Next, q b comma a lies on second line 4x minus y equals to 5. Substitute this point, 4b minus a equals to 5. Now this solve these two equations. First equation plus second equation is multiply with 2. What is the first equation? 3a plus 2b equals to 13. If you multiply with 2, minus 2a plus 8b equals to 10. Okay. Sorry, if you multiply with 3 because no use, then what you will get? Minus 3a plus 3 4 jars 12, 3 5 jars 15. Now 3a gets cancelled. 2b plus 12b, 14b is 28. Now b value is 2. If b value is 2, substitute this b value in equation 1. From equation 1, 3a plus 2b equals to 13, 3a equals to 9, a value 3. So finally we got a value and b value. But what is p point? First point a comma b, that is 3 comma 2. What is second point q? b comma a, that is 2 comma 3. Finally we know 2 points. The first point is x1 y1, second point is x2 y2. Now I am finding equation of PQ. I am applying 2-point formula. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Then y minus 2 by 1 is equal to x minus 3 by minus 1. If you cross multiply, minus y plus 2 is equal to x minus 3. Then 2 equals to x minus 3 plus y. Then what will write? X plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Then we can write x plus y is equal to 5. X plus y equals to 5. That is nothing but option 2 is a correct answer for this question.